Alright, currently at 1,900 feet, about to be about 2,000 feet. I want to slowly check the progress of the elevation gain. But over here in the Great Smoky Mountains, I'll pick it up here in just a little bit. Alright, update, about 2,900 feet above sea level now. Pulled over right here at Chimney Tops. You can pause it anywhere, whenever, so you can read it. Very beautiful spot. Got a classic Ford. That just made the shot 10 times better. Absolutely beautiful. But heading up to Charlie's Bunion. Always wanted to hike there. I tried to hike there yesterday. I failed. I went there in steel-toed work boots. That was not fun. I got about 35 minutes in. I also went on an empty stomach. So, but yeah, I got about 35 minutes in, turned around. I was like, yeah, no, I got to hit it up today. So I got proper shoes, full stomach, and I got snacks. Alright, y'all, just got up here. Newfound Gap. Definitely a lot less people than there was yesterday. I was mostly here a lot earlier. I went around 12:30 yesterday, and it is currently like maybe 10 a.m. how it popped up here on screen. But trail starts that way, so I'll pick it up at the beginning. So compared to the clips shown earlier in the video from when I was here yesterday, I would say it's a lot more cleared up. A lot more. Wasn't really able to see down there. Now I'm able to see down there. So I think the views up top are going to be better today than they were going to be yesterday. So nature lines things up in a weird way. Maybe yesterday wasn't meant to be. So I always start fast and I regret it about 10 minutes in. But and yesterday I didn't have my backpack with me. So I got that today too, because it's starting a little cold. I know I'm gonna warm up here in a little bit. That was my issue yesterday. Fucking wore a thick military coat. Yeah, no, about 15 minutes in, I was sweating bullets. And it was cold out. So not only was I sweating, I was freezing. But I'm gonna pick this up sometime here in a few minutes. It's probably gonna be a bit of a longer video. I believe this is a 4-hour hike, 4 or 5 hour hike, something like that. And it's around 8 miles with, here's all the information basically. All the info. Had to change out that hoodie real quick. A lot warmer today than it was yesterday. I don't know the temperature, how it popped up right here. But yesterday was like 46. Got warm, but it didn't get warm that fast. But feels so much better. Let the arms breathe. So this is the spot I was at when I turned around last time. So anything past this stump is more than what I did before. You see now, this area is not too bad. Not much elevation, just nice and flat. Exactly what I'm used to in Florida. But there's been one beautiful hike. Like, look at that. Tell me that ain't cool. However, I started this exactly 1 hour ago on the dot. It's 10:48. I hit the very front of the trail at 9:48, so roughly got 3.5 hours, maybe 4 with the stops I've been taking. Ooh, smell like liquor. It probably would have been nice if I had a map or pre-looked at the route ahead of time, but you know what? Rolling with it. Even if I don't make it to where I want to go, I'm in the woods, I'm in nature, I'm in the mountains. At least I got that to say. Anybody know what kind of fungi species that is right there? Starting to get real itchy on my stomach, and I look down and covered in bumps. I'm itchy as hell, so, now I'm kind of happy I brought my backpack because I got like itch creams, I got Neosporins and all that, bite creams. I don't know what I got going on right here, but covered in hives. One thing I can't stand is being itchy. Irritating. Who does? Who enjoys being itchy? If you enjoy being itchy, you need to be put in a straight jacket. I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but yeah, that's what I'm working with. And I did a bug check. I don't have any bugs on me. My arm's getting a little red. Both of them. But I haven't brushed up against anything. I haven't really seen any bugs on me or felt any bugs on me. I sprayed permethrin on me just in case for ticks, so that's interesting. Damn. Not looking as red on camera as it is in person, but interesting. Love it here. I haven't really stopped to take a proper break, so got some Jack Herrera right here. Cheers now. Always good to get a little lifted in nature. Don't do drugs, kids. Turns out I was going the right way. Over here it's nice. Nice, open. Kinda flat, kinda not. Got a group of hikers catching up behind me, so I'm trying to speed up ahead. I'm a little antisocial. Shelter. Kind of curious to go check that out. I'll do that on the way back. Block of ice belt took my ass out. I wasn't paying attention. Stepped on that. About ate shit. If I would have ate shit and not caught it on camera, that would have pissed me off. If I catch it on camera, it's worth it. Another shit. Yep. At least I caught it on camera. Just passed a group of hikers that are going back and then went around that way, so Noted. No, didn't mean to have my finger all up in the camera. But tiny nick. Luckily, nothing bad. Stepping on more ice. Let me not do that. Let me be a little smarter here. Take the way I saw these people going. So I continued past a little bit because there's a bunch of people up there, and I'm not about to be there filming. It'd be awkward as hell for me. So continuing on the path a little bit, gets real rough. Ooh, shit. Wow. Approaching a sign right here. No idea what it is. Let's find out. Ooh. This is fun to do with a bum knee. Oh. Okay, so I guess this is the climb from the other side. So this is probably North Carolina over there. I'm guessing that's Tennessee over there. If I'm wrong, I'll have it corrected on the screen, but kind of want to keep walking, but yeah, I don't know if that's the smartest idea. Looks cool back there, but I'm gonna start heading back. I've always wanted to come here. Number 3 on my list, I can scratch off. Charles Bunion was always top 3 on my list. I don't know why I keep calling it Charles. It's Charlie. All right, starting my journey back, and I stopped at a tree stump for a little bit. Still haven't sat down at all this entire hike. I've stopped and stood for a little bit, but I haven't sat down and stood there just looking at the mountains and whatnot. All the pain in the body is starting to set in. Knee completely killing me. Rashes, itching like crazy. Got blisters on my feet. I'm all banged up, but when you got views like this, I could snap my arm in half right now and I wouldn't be mad. I'd be in a shit ton of pain. Wouldn't be mad. If my body wasn't so beat up right now, I would hit up another hiking trail tomorrow or even later today, because the day's still young. It's only lunchtime, so I don't know. I might do something stupid and go fuck around and hike another spot. But I want to pick it up when I get to those cabins or that little shelter thing that I passed back there. I'm about halfway back to the parking, so I decided I'm going to wrap the video up here where it's scenic. So at any point in time you did enjoy this video, hit that like button down below. Appreciate it. Top link down below is my Instagram. Link under that, my previous video. If you enjoy content like this, hit that subscribe button. Hopefully more to come soon. Hopefully see you on the next video.